In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to lock chats on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app, then navigate to the conversations page. Unfortunately, Instagram does not offer a single button to lock or hide a conversation, but there is a simple workaround you can use. Open the conversation that you want to hide or lock. Now click on the username of that person. You'll be directed to this page where you're going to find several options, but you won't find the direct option to lock the chat. So what you have to do is click on the option Options and choose Restrict for that person. Confirm it. The conversation disappears from your main inbox and is essentially locked. To view it again, you will need to head over to the Request tab where you will find messages from anyone you restricted. You can unrestrict them anytime to bring the chat back into your main inbox, and you will still be able to message them while they are restricted or after you unrestrict them. This method gives you an easy way to hide and protect specific chats. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.